Hi, this is Paula, and I'm continuing from the video I did earlier where I was transferring funds from my Newton account to my Kucoin exchange. And yes, you would have seen if you saw that video that there was a pop-up at the end of the video showing that the XLM was received in my Kucoin account. So you can also click here in the bell notification where it will also show that you have received it. And as well, it did send me an email notification to my email address to let me know that the funds were received. And so that was the deposit notification. So I just wanted to now show you. You might wonder, oh, where are the crypto coins that I had transferred into my Kucoin account? It might be a little bit confusing if you haven't done it before. And so I wanted to just show that. Um, so when you're in your Kucoin account, after you're logged in, then if you hover over assets, you can go to click on the main account, deposit and withdraw selection. So here we are, and this is the XLM that we had transferred in earlier in the previous video. So now what we would need to do if we wanted to use the XLM for trading or to do something with it, then we can now come here because in Qcoin, you actually have a main account and a trading account. So in order to trade your XLM or use it to set up a crypto bot, for example, in Bitsgap, then you would need to transfer this money from your main account over to your trading account. So if we go to the main account where my XLM is located right now, then what I can do is click on transfer, and then it'll show here from main to trading account, and that's what I like to do. And the coin is XLM. And here you can enter the amount of XLM to transfer to the trading account. Or in my case, I want to just do the whole thing, the maximum amount. Then I can hover over the number and click on it. Then it'll just fill it in for me and I don't need to type it out. Then that is all set and just click on confirm. So it says successful here, and you'll see that it has disappeared from the top here. The top shows the coins that you actually have. And if you scroll down, you'll see your other coins, but if you don't have any, it'll just show the 0. And now if we were to go over to our trading account, we should be able to see our XLM right there. So let's click on that. And let's see here. Here it is, XLM. So, and then you could now trade with that. And yes, so that is the little secret behind where your crypto might be hiding if you don't see it in your trading account and you just can't find it, but you're sure that you deposited it in. So that might be the reason that it's actually in your main account instead of your trading account. And you can just quickly come here, select the coin, and you can also search up here if you have a whole bunch of coins that you have funds in, or like you actually hold them, then you can search here and like say XLM, and then it'll just pull it up over here as well. And then you can just transfer it. So hope this short video can can help demystify that little seeming glitch. So it's basically just a matter of which account your crypto is in. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!